Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix lag and FPS drop in Arena Breakout Infinity. Performance problems are usually going to be caused by the in-game graphic settings or maybe your drivers or operating system. But we're going to try to do the best to solve this, okay? So what are you going to do? You're just going to come to your settings. You're going to come to the image, and I want you to make sure that everything is pretty much set to performance, okay? All of these options in here, they should be set to performance, and the scope quality as well, okay? Now the most crucial ones in my opinion are view distance, shadow quality, resolution, and texture quality. But also I think you should play with the rest as well, okay? And a lot of users are going to get big FPS gains from reduction resolution or render scale as well, okay? So resolution is very important, and also render scale is also very important. So yeah, this one is actually very important. With this alone, you should get big FPS gain. However, if you're really struggling, you can try to go to basic. However, the game is going to look pretty bad, okay? So I'm just going to recommend to keep it to performance and see how it works. Now, also very importantly, I'm going to recommend that you enable NVIDIA DLSS, which is basically, upscaling, okay? You can set it to performance or to balance, but never to quality because it's going to take you more FPS. Frame interpolation, you should only enable if you're really struggling because it's going to add some input lag. You should activate NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency in here. And, yes, that's pretty much it about it. Remember that you can also show the FPS by going to Game and just going to HUD. And here, by showing your performance info. This is going to give you like a quick idea of how many FPS you have after tweaking these settings in here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you so much.